Hello and welcome to Woggle Guides. In this episode, we're going to look at how you can change your Gmail password. So let's get into it. Changing your password in Gmail is pretty straightforward, a few steps. We're interested to start with the settings. That's the cog in the top right. Let's click on that. Quick settings it shows you, but really we're interested in all settings. So let's zoom straight into that. And then we're interested in accounts and import. So let's click on accounts, and at the very top, you see there we've got change password. So let's click on change password. Now the first thing it asks you to do is to effectively verify that it's you that is logging in. So here you just put in the same password you use to log into Gmail with. And once it's verified it's you, it then asks you to put in a new password. A few things to bear in mind. Password strength you see is weak. If you use a very simple password, Google will prompt you to put in a better password. Another little gotcha to bear in mind is that if you put in a password which you have used recently, so something which may have worked in the past but is no longer your valid password, then effectively Google will prompt you on that. It'll say you've used it recently and it'll ask you to choose a different one. So remember, choose a mix of letters, of numbers, and of the symbols shown. Be sure and choose something memorable, something which you're happy you'll be able to recall. Because this password that you're putting in now will effectively be the password that you'll use to log into Gmail with in the future. So let's try that new password. And Google likes that. Password has been changed successfully. One other thing to bear in mind is that if we go all the way back to our inbox, you'll see that Google sent you an email. If you go into that, that's just validating the steps you've just taken. Your password has changed. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful. If you like it, please click like or subscribe below.